Any chance that we get, we should make changes to improve our experiences. And we're going to do that here. As you can see with SwiftKey, this is a default that you would have with SwiftKey. That will be the Carbon Light theme on a full keyboard. Now we can change this. And to change that, you're going to go to the toolbar, and that's the line above the predictive text area, and you'll see the three horizontal dots, which is also called an ellipse. And what you'll need to do is touch that, and that will change us to some settings here. And in the third column, first row, you will see themes. So I want you to select that, and this takes you to your themes that you have available. And the very default place that it takes you to is your themes. So these would be all the themes that are installed on your device or that you have downloaded either recently or sometime in the past. There's also a gallery and custom. As you can see there, I scrolled through to look at some of the themes I have. Let's take a switch over to the gallery, and we'll scroll through a little bit and take a look at some of the themes that are available here. You see a multitude of different color combinations, different kind of contrasts. So you can really find something that suits your mood or your style. That's one of the great things here. And if you don't see anything that you like, you can go to the custom tab and create your own. That will be another video on creating a theme. But we're going to switch back over to my theme, and that'll be under the yours. And I'm going to switch to the theme that I currently use, and that is the high contrast theme. And it is a black background with white foreground and gives a nice distinctive separation of items, making it obviously a huge contrast. And by selecting that, you see now it's my keyboard. That's it.